me, Nong Khadijah, in the Friday edition of Seputar Berita, March 8, 2024, to describe the most up-to-date and trustworthy news, which we summarize in Seputar Berita this time. Children should be safe when they go to school. The children don't come home injured because of bullying problem caused by feelings of dislike from the perpetrator towards the victim. Their stories are difficult to listen to. The victim and the perpetrator are high school students in the puberty, and that's why we as parents need to supervise our children. Recently, there has been a lot of discussion about a bullying case at Harapan High School in Padut Province, where the victim and perpetrator were both high school students. The following is a report from a college regarding the news. Raya Rizky at the scan.
Well, good afternoon viewers. Here a report directly from the location of the incident, namely Harapan Senior High School. This incident occurred on March 8, 2024 in Harapan Senior High School cafeteria. The perpetrator with initial S is suspected of committing violence by stabbing a skewer into the victim's eyes. This is because the victim's eyes with initial S did not want to give money when the perpetrator with initial SA escaped the money by force. There was an argument between the victim and the perpetrator which resulted in the perpetrator getting emotional and finally stabbing into the victim's eyes with a skewer. This extortion because of senioritas which ultimately emboldened the perpetrator commit extortion. Currently, the victim is experiencing trauma and being treated at Pelita Hospital. Meanwhile, the perpetrators we are give a sanction of dropping out. Okay, now I'm with one of the teacher who is the victim Harun teacher. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
As the victim Harun teacher, according to the mother, how did the victim behave at school?
Behavior while at school is seen as someone who is less active and does not dare to talk because he is less able to socialize.
Okay, as the perpetrator, what was the attitude at school?
As for the actual perpetrator, I don't really know him. It's just that from information I received from his friends, the nature of his perpetrator is very active and he has indicated bullying at school several times, but no one reported it to the school until finally this case happened.
Okay, there is information circulating that the school has taken the decision to expel the perpetrator from school. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay, now, is there anything you want to convey to community from school?
For this incident, the school apologizes and will take the legal action, and we promise that this kind of incident will not happen again.
Okay, thank you for the information I got. I'm Raya Rizky, back to the studio, okay?
Okay, thank you, Raya. Bullying like this certainly has a bad impact on the psychological condition of the victim. The victims feel afraid to go to school. There is an explanation from the victim and the victim's parents we contact via video call. Let's hear what happened to the student at Harapan High School with the initial SA is 17 years old. Hello, ma'am. How are you? I hope you and your family are currently doing well. Okay, first I will ask about victim condition. How do you feel after the incident every time you want to go to school?
I always feel afraid when I want to go to school.
And what is the perpetrator's attitude towards you?
He always tells me to do things like buy food or drink and always take me my money.
The perpetrator physically attacked you, right?
I was in the canteen, he came asking for all my money and then I refused to give it. Then suddenly he took a spear and stuck in my eye.
Yuyun is the mother of the victims with the initial essay. Here is the explanation. How is your daughter doing after being bullied?
I don't accept my child being treated like this because as far as I know my child has no enemies. To the point that my child doesn't want to go to school anymore.
Next, what do you hope for this case?
Of course, I want to prepare child to get the punishment deserves.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I hope your child get well soon and can carry out activities as before. Then, here's impressions press conference of the perpetrators of the bullying at Harapan Senior High School.
I heard of this action because I confronted the victim. When I asked the victim for money reduced to
is a national crisis and the data confirms it. Research released earlier this year found 59% of all school students said they experienced some form of bullying. Half of them said it was verbal, 1 in 5 said it was physical. They tell us every day that there are many cases of victims committing suicide because they did it to escape feelings of depression. They say they were tortured for several months by the same group of bullying at school. Some victims of bullying even said they felt the school ignored their concern with just words. That they just the kids nothing will happen. But it's easy to see the effect it has on the victims of bullying, one of which is this as a victim they don't understand how upset he is and the school just thinks it all bullshit that doesn't teach. Furthermore, the high school hopes to take action by expelling the perpetrator from the school, and the school said it will continue to take action regarding this case. There is a lot of bullying that often continues online and so on. These young people do not get a reprieve from bullying behavior. Hopefully, in the future, there will be no more cases like this. Me, No Khadija, reporting from the studio. Thank you.